With more than 15 years of experience, JLX Valve has positioned itself as a leader in the sector with a wide range of premium quality industrial valves. Each project is a unique challenge, which we take on in conjunction with our clients. Our commitment is comprehensive. JLX Valve services range from designing to expediting and tracking each product. Our service is customized. We automate any valve and adapt and modify it for each project. Our catalogue contains everything from ball valves to plug valves, butterfly valves, gate valves, knife valves, globe valves, check valves, and even filters. The rigour, excellence and reliability of our products is the outcome of our experience in a host of industries and sectors. Safety and quality are our priorities. JLX valves are subjected to the strictest controls through the entire manufacturing and assembly process. We reach the entire world. Our headquarters are in 5 countries. We are backed by the satisfaction of thousands of clients all over the world, along with our international quality certificates. Plus, we at JLX Valve are committed to our surroundings and environment. We are responsible and work to improve our processes in order to lower the impact of our activity. JLX Valve Factory, your partners in valves.